going back to that idea of using exoskeletons at different time scales, across the continuum of rehabilitative care. One of your slides really highlighted, all the different places in the inpatient and the outpatient and the wellness programs where exoskeletons could potentially come into play. I'm curious if you could elaborate a little bit more on kind of your vision for, let's assume that a patient with SCI had access to robotic technology at every phase in their recovery. What would that look like, or how might they use exoskeletons at different phases to maximize their progression and their rehabilitation?
Well, it's a big, big and great
it's a big question, yeah.
All right, so I think the challenge for SCI Rehab is that we're dealing with many issues, right? Not just for the injuries. So the goal of the rehab at each phase really depends on the goal of that patient, the goal of at that time. It changes every day, right? If locomotion is one of the goal, then we start early and don't wait. The reason we don't wait is based on research. Right now, most of the studies are in chronic patients. If we can start early, we can start in inpatient, even just using treadmills, using exoskeleton if there's available. If we just use this FES bike, for example, you'll be to start early, right? Also, don't think that using exoskeleton is the only way. You definitely think about how the patient is going to go, where is the patient is going to go. We are in the technology era that we are lucky to have those available, those devices available, and definitely, I think it's up to the clinician's mind how to use it. I won't able to tell you that how you should use it, how anyone should use it, because every situation is different. That's what I'm saying. It's a big question.
Yeah.
I hope I answered your question. I'm sorry.
No, I think it's a great point to recognize that there's a lot of different goals, and there's a lot of different functional impairments, and so trying to meet each patient where they're at in terms of what are their current goals and what are their current impairments. I think it's just a good overall strategy in terms of how to follow them along with their progression. This has been a highlighted clip from ReWalk's Topics in NeuroRehabilitation web series. To watch the full episode, please go to the ReWalk Robotics YouTube page or visit the link in the comments below. See you next time.